Lookup stretch with massage to help prevent snoring. What actually causes snoring in terms of movement of body parts? Well, there are two things. First, the jaw must be open and back, and second, the tongue must be down and back. I'll demonstrate. Jaw down and back. You can see jaw down and back alone is not going to cause snoring. So now we demonstrate jaw down and back and tongue down and back as well. You really don't want to do that too much. You certainly don't want to do that at night time. How about creating a stretch and massage that will help these tissues loosen up so it's a lot easier for the tongue to be forward and the jaw to be closed when you're asleep. The look-up stretch goes like this. Starting with breastbone sunk and shoulders rounded, head down. Press the second rib breastbone area up, the voice box up and back, finger just behind the chin, push the jaw forward so that the lower teeth are in front of the upper teeth. Take the tongue up and forward behind the front teeth. It's very important to keep this second rib breastbone area lifting, because otherwise we'll put a terrible kink at the base of the neck and we'll end up needing neck surgery. So up, 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 chin forward, tongue forward, and we're ready to do some massage. Just with the pads of the fingers, the muscles are really tight. Keep the breastbone lifting. Is the tongue forward as well? Are the lower teeth in front of the upper teeth? If you let one side of the head lift, make sure the shoulder lifts as well. And again, jaw forward, tongue forward, etc. This sort of massage under stretch means that the muscles get the massage. Other tissues, which are a little more stretchy, such as nerves, blood vessels, etc., are not under stretch, so they're not coming up to your fingers for massage. You are targeting the muscles. This is what makes it safe. Of course, you're not going to massage your voice box, but you won't want to. So we're pretty safe with doing that. Just half a minute, twice a day. Does it work? Well, yes, it does. My wife is a lot happier with me having done the look-up stretch with massage now for 3 months